What's going on, Twisted Society? I'm putting in my engine and transmission mounts, and y'all gonna see. All right. So stay tuned. You gonna get it going.
Lord, motherfucker.
Man, we playing games.
This motherfucker right here.
All right, what's going on, Twisted Society? All right, so I'm installing my engine and transmission mounts. By the way, look at me, motherfucker.
I'm looking at you. It's on you.
By the way, boy Nick here with his 240. Go ahead. Tell them about your build and everything.
Shit clean. Wheels, suspension, getting that shit straightened up. Simple exhaust. Keeping the KA in, keeping it stock. It's like everything on it stock right now. Like one of the cleanest ones I've done in a while. So yeah, basic shit. Nothing crazy. Yeah.
All right, so if you're gonna be changing your mounts, there's gonna be 4 bolts. It's gonna need 14 millimeters. It's gonna be 4 bolts. So it's gonna be 2 at the top. I mean, it's gonna be 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. So you just need 14 millimeters, and you can get that out. It's gonna be a little tight space, but you can get it. Where this came from? It came from right here. So with the engine mounts I'm going with, I'm going with ISR engine mounts. So very simple. The bolt piece goes under and the knob piece goes at the top. So you just remove them, put it right here, and you just slide the actual, this comes off, the stem. We're gonna call it a stem. You just slide the stem through inside and just tighten. That's it. So far, I got part of it in. So like I said before, you want the nut piece, the actual nut here, you want it to be at the bottom, so you tighten it from the bottom. So I have 2 plates. Some of them you might see with 1 plate. I have 2 plates for more stability. So you slide that in from the top. Then you make sure, you make sure from the bottom, you throw your other 2 plates on there, and then you tighten it like the other one. So I got this one in. I'm about to finish in that one. And I don't know if you can see it right there. I got my other one in there right there. So let me go from the bottom. There we go, right there. So you just gotta put in the other 2 slots with the bolts and tighten it up. We get back to you when we tighten that joint up, all right?
Shit, like, I don't know, like, I mean, you have to think about it though. Or like, even if it's just like, so someone else can't see your shit. Yeah. Like,
alright, so
got
these bad boys in. That's one of them.
Yeah.
Tighten down nice and tight. This is dirty as hell.
Already?
Oh, ready. Tighten it up nice and tight. Alright. Show you the other one. And these are the adjustable ones. That's what I like about these. These are adjustable ones, and I can actually use these with my swap too. So here's the second one. Nice and tight. And these are 15 millimeters. So socket. So definitely use that. So next, we're gonna do the trans mount. So I'll make a quick video of that real quick. Probably a time lapse to get that ready. Let's get it.
Tell the Lord I want the real back, making turkey off this rap shit, but I still trap. I was on the corner with the white trapping talk before these niggas had a band, yo. I was in the kitchen with a chicken, had a chicken burning baggies on the can, yo. I was in the stash house, stashed out way before these niggas had a trash spot. I was in the trash spot, trap hot, had the shit clicking like a padlock. Click, 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 that's a money machine. Take the chains off the door. Click, 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 that's a money machine. Take the chains off the door. Click, 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 that's a money machine. Take the chains off the door. Whip, 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 that's a money machine. You cook the cane on this road. Niggas throwing up bricks, they ain't never had bricks. Keep it real, you ain't never had shit. I had the white roll, white that blood on Drake. I was turning that 5 into 6. 5 into 6. Throw it in the box on top, goddamn. I was up in that 5 in the Knicks. They was ducking that rock, I was shooting my shot. Tell them boys that it's all in the wrist.
845.
For the stars, I'm making miracle drop. Cook a baby till it's split, now that's a miracle pot. Bring it back at 7.5, now that's a miracle watch. On the high bond, bitches for the love.
These are 14. Oh shit. 14 millimeters. So yeah, you get one for
The chains off the door. Click, 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 that's a money machine. Take the chains off the door. Click, 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 that's a money machine. Take the chains off the door. Whip, 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 that's a money machine.
transmission mount.
You cook the cane when it's raw.
I got it bolted up. It's loose right now because I didn't tighten it up. So I'm really not gonna tighten it. I'm just gonna hand tighten it from the center. So basically what you need to do is you will have, what is that? Is that a heart right there? Somebody drew a heart on my car. But so basically, you will have to remove these little bits at the top here. These two bolts right there will be at the top of right here. If your car already doesn't have it, then doesn't have it, but mine did. So that holds on from the other transmission mount bushing that was originally on here, the stock one.
Gotcha, okay.
So basically you take this off, you take those two off, but you stick these in. And it's like an Allen key like bolt, and at the top is the actual nut. And you just put a wrench up there and the Allen key, you just tighten the shit up.
Gotcha.
So, and then you just do all these, but I gotta fool around with that because the line is not right. So basically, if you do it with your car, just make sure you do the centerpiece first, hand tighten the centerpiece, do the outside, then tighten up the inside. Because as soon as you bolt up the outside, the fucking center gonna be centered. Just to wrap it up again, I did get the engine and transmission mounts in. So there's one side of the engine mount. Like I said, with the ISR one, you gonna have two plates, which is here. You have two plates for each side. You can adjust it by doing that. I only put in one for each side. So you put the slot part in the top and the bolt at the bottom and tighten it up. Same with the other side. The trans mount. I got that bad boy in too. All right, so the big ones right here, these are 17 millimeters, and the ones in the middle, I believe those are 14s, but you won't have to do those on the outside, and the small ones on the inside, as you can see right here. So that pretty much wrapped up. I got them in, so, and it's holding up, so we good now. So now my next part I'm coming in, y'all gonna see is gonna go right here. But yeah, the main issue is this shit. So once I'm getting a new turbo manifold and fix my steering, once I get these two in order, should be back on the road, all right? Let's get back to y'all, man. So just stay tuned with the videos, man. If y'all want me to do something else, let me know. If I got the funds, I'll go out and get it. So just let me know, man. So Twisted Society, we out.